Hello everyone, this is Epix Gaming, and we are doing it is Christmas Eve, and we are going to be opening this Evolving Skies booster box. So, this thing, oh my, so, you see all the dang cards in there. This is my first time ever getting a booster box in my entire life. I've always wanted a booster box. So, today we will be opening this, and once we have it all opened up, I will be right back with y'all. We are back with this, and now we're going to open up a booster pack each. So we're going to start with a Umbreon. There's some really cool pack arts in here, I have to admit. So let's see. Okay. Let me open this up. Man, this thing is. They're definitely starting to be harder to open these days. This day and age, the booster packs and stuff. I'm trying to keep the pack arts for some of these, because I got some Sun and Moon pack arts. I think I have a Sun and Moon base set pack art. Yeah, I have an old Sun and Moon base set pack right here. It's opened, but I kept the the wrapping, because I think the design was relatively good. Let me just let's see this. Man, these things are way harder to open than usual. Okay, so I'm actually gonna keep this for the pack card collection. Okay. So the pack card, the card trick. So we have 1, 3, and 4. A lightning energy. Oh, I was right, the lightning energy. So we have a lightning energy. And lucky ice pop. A Scrafty. A Snowleaf badge. A Pikachu, a Pumpicobo, I think that's what it's called, a Rufflet, a Lotad, a Emolga, a Reverse Floette, and the rare is a Sylveon VMAX. Holy crap! I've seen this in the video, but this looks really good up close. Holy crap. Look at the styling of that. Holy crap. Let me sleeve this thing up. This is definitely needing a sleeve. So we're gonna get one of our old classic Mega Gyarados sleeves. Some of the original sleeves that I have. I still have a lot of them. I'm sleeving them up now. I'm not putting them in books anymore, because you know why. They say that I have some really... my cards that are in bad condition, I don't sleeve up, because they're kind of already pretty much they're sadly, unfortunately, done. Actually, I'm going to grab a handful of these. Holy crap, look at that stack. And we're going to put these over to the side, over here. So next, we have this pack art. Let me put the, regulars to the side. The, regular cards. On top of this. Okay, this is, I know, a very slow video so far, so let me, I'll be back when I open the pack. I'm gonna do this every time. So I'm back, and we're gonna do the energy game, like we usually do. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, psychic energy. Fighting energy. Okay, let's go. Rubber gloves. Oh crap. A Floette. Super rapid strike. A boost shake. A Hippopotas. A Lillipup. A Nickit. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's called. A Bergemite. I think that's what a Ragnarok. A Roggenrola. I don't remember. Gordy reverse, and a Smeargle non-holo rare. Okay. But yeah, it was. We still have way more chances, and the reason why I wanted this is because I remember the old Roaring Skies from X and Y. I had some really good EXs pulled way back in the day. And I just, Evolving Skies, just the Rayquaza's actually, I would say, in my top 5 favorite legendaries. It's probably my top 3. I think Rayquaza is very close with Arceus, or Arceus. Some people call it Arceus, some people call it Arceus. When I was younger, I feel like I'm more used to calling it Arceus, because that's how I was really done. That's how I was really just named it originally. But you know. Oh crap, man! I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and we got to do the energy game. So forward to the front, psychic energy. It's a fire energy. Okay. A Shelgon, a Swoobat, a Lowbrie, a Scraggy, a Feebas, Rapid Strike, Hitmonchan, Single Strike, a Slakoth, a Single Strike. I do like that artwork. It's cool. For some reason, Hurdle, and a Sharpedo non-holographic or non-holo rare. Dang, I like that Sharpedo actually. This Sharpedo actually, I like the artwork of this. It looks cool, really. Oh wait, it looks really cool. Okay, so next packs we got the Sylveon artwork. I'm trying to keep some. Oh, okay, this one. Oh, okay, this is one we're definitely gonna be saving, pack art wise, because this pack art's. Okay. Yes, we're definitely saving this pack art. So we put this next to the Umbreon. So we're gonna have the guess the energy game. So 1, 2, 3, 4 psychic energy this time. I think. Yep, there's a psychic energy. Xena's Resolve, Hippowdon, Tentacruel, Lotoad. My camera, I know the quality of the camera is really bad. Emolga, Woobat, a Gossifleur, a Feebas Rapid Strike, a Sharpedo Reverse. Oh my god, I cannot get over the artwork. Like, I like how there's other Sharpedos in there. It just makes it look a lot better. And we got a Sylveon V. Oh my gosh, that's crazy because look, we got out of a Sylveon artwork. That's pretty crazy. So I'm gonna sleeve this thing up. This thing. Dang. The artwork of these. I'm starting to like the V Maxes more. V cards and V Maxes more. Because I guess it's growing on me now. More than it used to. So we have another Umbreon artwork. Oh, right here. So let me open this up. I don't really care if it doesn't do well because at this point. Come on. I'll be back again. And we are going to do the guess the energy game. So forward to the front, I'm guessing a darkness energy. Ooh, a metal energy. Okay. That's cool. We have a metal energy, Crustle, Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, Flabby. As Leonhardt always says, Carvana Nunana. That I like what he does right there. That to be honest, that's really cool. Next we will have a Dweeble, a Mareep, a Drowsy, a Gigalith reverse, and a non-holo rare, it's rare, Thievul. So that was pretty cool. Next we have this, I don't know, I would say this is my least favorite artwork of all of them. It's just something about it. Kind of recording this on my computer instead of the phone that I was recording on the other episodes from I think a year ago at this point. And then this one I can actually pause the video so the time goes faster. So we're going to do the guest energy. 1, 2, 3, 4 to is that 4? Yes, I think. Fire energy, it's a water energy, okay. And we have a water energy. A Avalugg. Oh crap, the dang quality. I know the camera's very bad quality. Avalugg. Burgeroth, single strike. A Dream Ball. A Slack Off, single strike. A Petalil. A Pikachu. I have a very bad, I do a bad impression of that, I think. It's okay, but I think it's pretty bad. So we have Pikachu, a Pumpakuba, a Rufflet, a Reverse Slack Off, and we have a Slacking Single Strike Holographic. So there we go, there's the holographics, right there, going right there. I like how it's pretty cool. So the next packs, we have two more out of this thing, and then we're gonna have a lot more out of the entire thing. Okay, so let's do this real quick. I want to save this week Waza ones, so yeah. Okay. Water energy. Dark energy, oh wow. Okay, so we have darkness energy, a Copycat, a Iskew, a Scroll of Flying Dragon, Rapid Strike, a Pumpakubo, a Bagon, a Love Disc, a Seedot, a Slackoth, a Tentacool Reverse, and a non-holographic rare Altaria. That's pretty cool. Now we got this one, which we're just gonna. Oh my gosh, what is with these packs these days and age? Just they seem a lot harder to open. Okay, there we go. Let me get that ready. Okay, now we're going to do the guess the energy. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting energy. It's grass energy. Come on, focus. Crystal Cave. Toy Catcher. Rallian. Mareep. Drowsy. Scraggy. Feebas, Rapid Strike, Hitmonchan, Single Strike, Woobat, Reverse, and a non-holo rare Tropius. So if y'all want to see more openings around this time frame, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and post on so you turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on an opening. And holy crap! All right, so. Let me, do the next one. So, let's see, 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Oh, I forgot the, guess it. Ursaling, Swoobat, Digging Gloves, Feebas, Rapid Strike, Hippotas, Lillipup, Nickit, Bermagmite, Mol, m, 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 Mol, Millet, Mollet, Mil, Militic, Millet, Molitic, Milotic, I don't know. I used to call it Molitic, but I don't think that's how you say it. Rapid Strike. And an Atari non-holo rare. That's pretty fun. Alright, now we're gonna go to another Rayquaza, which this has to be very cool. Come on. Okay, let's do this. Water energy, fire energy, switching cups, Tentacruel, Boldor, Woobat, Gossifleur, Feebas, Hippopotas, Lillipup, Teddy Ursa, reverse, and a Scoutland non-holo rare. Alright, that's cool. We have another Sylveon artwork. So yeah, let me get this thing open. If it wants to open, there we go. Yes, the energy game. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Oh, psychic. Okay. Flathy. Pyroar. Oh wow, these are some cards we have not seen. Scroll of Fang Dragon. Rufflet. Lotad. Umaga. Woobat. Gossifleur. Reverse Leaf Badge. And a Hydreigon holographic. I do like the artwork of this Hydreigon. It's just something about it. It looks really cool. Now, that's for that back. Now we have another Evolving Skies, of course. Crap. So it's Christmas Eve. How y'all feeling about Christmas Eve? I'm feeling pretty good. It's a really good time of the year. It's a happy time of the year as well, for families and stuff, hanging out. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Metal energy, water energy. Okay. Skiploom, Rodion, Rillabombee, Hitmonchan, Slack Off, Bedelio, Pikachu, Pampacuba, Apple Turn Reverse, and a non-holographic rare Pinsir. Okay, now we have another pack we're about to open. Rayquaza. Oh. Dang, these packs are way harder to get into. I don't know, something about them. It just really, they're like harder than they used to be to get into. Way harder. There we go. But you know, it is what it is. Okay. Okay, we got a Darkness Energy, okay. Pyroar, Vergaroth, Treasure Energy, Scraggy, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Slack Off, Pitolio, Latturn Reverse, and we got a Wishy-Washy, non-holo rare. Sylveon, artwork now. Let's work your magic, Sylveon. Oh crap. So yeah, it is a really cool thing. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Another green card. So for darkness energy, it's a leaf energy. Okay. Leaf energy. Rubber gloves. Copycat. Zilla Wallace. Dweeble. Mareep. Drowsy. Scraggy. Feebas. Hoppit Pop. And a Talonflame non-holographic. Rare. Okay. I would think a Talonflame would be fire, not a normal type. Okay. Umbreon. Okay, let's see. What is with these dang green code cards? My gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lighting energy. Boldor. Aroma Lady. Moon and Sun Badge. Flabby. Rapid Strike. Carvana Unana. Dweeble. Wait, let me try one more. Mareep. Drowsy. Xeno Resolve. And a Flappy. Non-holo. Rare. Okay. Let's do the next pack. Come on. These packs are so a pain in the butt to get into now these days. Pain in my butt. There we go. Oh wow, Okay, guess the energy game. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, frick, I forgot to say it. We have a Wallace. We have a Nuzleaf. A Golduck. Love Stick. C-Dot. Slack Off. Flabby. Carvana Unana. Pikachu Reverse Hollow. And a Espeon V. Oh my. Now that's cool. At first I thought it was the Sylveon again. I was like, oh no. But we got a Espeon V. Now that looks cool. Set that thing up. Put that over there. And we have another Evolving Skies. We got, let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna guess the energy game again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning energy. Fire energy, okay. Okay, fire energy. Hurdle. Scroll of Fang Dragon. Floette. Pumpicabo. Bagon. Love Disc. C-Dot. Slack Off. Bagon Reverse. And a Marshadow holographic. Now that looks cool. The holographics. Okay. Let's see. Now let's get some more. Try it. Okay. Got Umbreon now. Come on. There you go. And the green code card. Lovely. So yes. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Lightning energy, yep. Tentacruel, Rub Gloves, Floette, Sableye, Teddiursa, Murray, Zoroark, Tentacool, Swoobat, and a Drumpa non-holographic rare. Okay, next pack. Actually, I'm going to go to the back over here. There's Umbreon on the back. This. On what these packs these days and is in age. So hard to open. Oh my gosh. Green code card? Nah. What's with them always putting green code cards these days and age? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Psychic energy, another lightning. Wow. Ahmad Lady, Rescue Carrier, Scrafty, Nickit, Bergamite, Ragdoll, Flabby, Swablu, Scraggy Reverse, and a Sharpedo non-holographic. That's pretty cool. We have an Evolving Skies, another Wigwalza. Let's see. Come on, let's work your magic, Wigwalza. My gosh! Packs are so... Okay, guess the energy game. I'm guessing, gonna guess a fire energy. Oh wow, there's a fire energy. Fire energy, Dream Ball, Zinnia, Resolve, Hippo Down, Litilo, Eevee, Cutiefly, Hitmonchan, Lightoad, Hitmonchan Reverse, and a holographic Jumpluff. I don't think I like the holographics these days and age. They look good, but the hollow of them, they don't really. I'm not trying to. They're cool. I like the hollows, but they just seem more always like they're not. It's not like how it was, where you either see a star holographic in the background, like Swiss stars in the back, or maybe round balls, like for example, like the old level, the old hollows from like 2000 and like maybe 8, 7, around those time frames. They're like a very nice. Those were good hollows. And I got a green code card, so you know the deal. The fighting energy, Psychic, Lowbrie, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, Fletchinder, Scraggy, Hippopotas, Temple, Litilo, Eevee, Scroll Flying Dragon Reverse, and a non-holographic Smeargle. Umbreon. Okay. Energy, 1, 2, 3, 4. Darkness energy, it's a metal. Rahan, Alblug, Vergaroth, Gislifer, Fletchling, Scraggy, Hippopotas, Timble, a Reverse Rescue Carrier, and a Glaceon V. I like that artwork. That actually looks really cool. Let me get asleep now. Oh, it's a new sleeve this time. Wait, does the Espeon have that sleeve? No, Espeon and, wait, let me see, quick. These three have the exact same, types of sleeves. Now, Glaceon gets the, Charizard VMAX, sleeve. So that's pretty cool. Around this time of age. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. You go for another. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Can I just pull it out, please? Can I just please pull it out? There we go. Green code card, yay! One, two, three, and four. Fighting energy, water energy. Face. Come on. Stupid stuff in the background. Shoot. There we go. Full face guard. Hypno. It's like a sumo wrestling Hypno. Vergaroth. Dino. Pampakubu. Caravana Unana. Gossifleur. Fletchling. Tropius Reverse. And a non-holographic Pinsir. Okay. Rayquaza. I'm really hoping, I really want that Rayquaza that's in this thing. Because that one would be crazy. Oh, come on, thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. A fire energy, darkness energy, okay. Ursaling. Crystal Cave. Toy Catcher. Lilitoad. Chinchino. Dino. Pumpakaboo. Carvana Unana. A reverse Tentacruel. And a holographic Galarian Articuno. Holy crap, now that, I like that. I'm actually going to save this holo, because it's not like one of those holos that are like the Jumpluff, for example. Yeah. Next, we have the Sylveon, yes. Still have quite a bit of packs to go to. Hopefully. Actually, wait. Right. Oh my gosh, why is this camera so freaking bright? Like, this camera is trash. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Let's go with the fire energy. Grass energy. Stormy Mountains. Shogun. Iskew. Rurganarol. Flabby. Swablu. Lidlito. Chinchino. Chinchuo. Paplitoad. And a Gigaloth. Okay. Non-holo rare. Last one on this side. Come on. Okay, there we go. It. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Fire energy. Fighting energy, okay. Lantern. Treasure energy. Digging gloves. Cutie fly. Hitmonchan. Lotad. Sableye. Okay, that's a pretty good looking Sableye. Teddy Ursa. Lillipup Reverse Hollow, and a... Oh my! Now this... Okay, I'm probably gonna... Yeah. Now this Rayquaza looks like... Woo-wee! This Rayquaza looks good. Holy crap. Now that's a regular V-card, like not like one of those special textures. Now that V-card actually looks like it has a good design. It reminds me of the older kind of style. It just pops out of the card, like how the EXs did. It just hits me like that. I don't know, it just does. The green card, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Lightning energy. Let's go. Yep, it's a lightning energy. Ribbon badge. Zillowillis. Zinnia's Resolve. Pikachu. Applin. Lillipup. Emolga. Tentacool. Full face guard reverse. And a non-holographic rare Wishy-Washy. Let me do this real quick. Holy crap. We have a Sylveon now. Coming to town. Wait. Oh, come on, man. There you go. Guess the energy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire energy. Nope, like psychic. An Avlagong, a Snowleaf badge, a Gordy, a Lillipup, Emolga, Tentacool, Pampakabu, a Bagon, a reverse treasure energy, and a... Oh! Holy crap! Now, okay, that looks cool. That looks cool. I'm gonna put this in a sleeve, that's for sure. Jolteon VMAX. To be honest, I still prefer the Rayquaza V, so I'm gonna put the Jolteon VMAX behind the Rayquaza. I have a very, okay, so we have Umbreon. My favorite evolution is Umbreon. Umbreon looks, in my opinion, I just like how it looks. Like the color is it just stood out to me more than the others. It's always have. Even just when Sylveon came out, I still preferred Umbreon and stuff. Oh, come on. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Got, okay, middle energy. So I got, oh, come on, thing. Okay, Toy Catcher, Hippo down, Golduck, Pikachu, Applin, Lollipop, Emolga, Tentacool, Rufflet, and a Tropius non-hologram. Now that looks cool. Okay, next ones, let's see this. Okay. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Metal Energy. It's a grass energy. Frick. Okay. Oh, crap. Grass energy. Shogun. Lowbrie. Full Face Guard. Flappy. Swablu. Lilitoad. Chincholo. Dino. Jumpluff, Reverse, and a non-holographic. Oh wow, I did not see this before. An Ampharos. Now that I like the Ampharos looks pretty cool. He looked like he was having a good time. Okay, now next one. Let's do this. Come on, man. Come on now. Alright, that's the energy game. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. See, water energy, okay. Cressel. Rescue Carrier. Candy Crystal Cave. Psyduck. Eevee. Cutie Fly. Pikachu. Applin. Bravery Reverse. And a Guzzlord, a Garbodor V. I actually like. Okay, this looks really cool. I don't see anything going on with the centering at all. So that is really good. Bad, yo. Okay. I zoned out for a sec. Okay, let's do this. Got another pack. Oh, crap. Flung everywhere. And that was a green goat card. At least it didn't give me a dang, thing. So, I'm just going to show you what I got. It flung all over the floor, so my bad about that. Woobat, a Timble, a Psyduck, a Eevee, a Reverse Pinsir, a Seismitoad, a Darkness Energy, a Haplitoad, a Cressel, a Cutie Fly, and a Moon and Sun badge. So that happened. I did not see that coming. At least it was a green code card, not a green and white code card, because that would have spoiled a lot of things. Come on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. A Psychic Energy, a Metal Energy, okay. Spirit Mask, a Gordy, a Bravery, a Hippotas, a Timble, a Litleo, a Eevee, a Cutie Fly, a Reverse Fetch Hinder, and a Lincoln Rock V. Okay. That actually, I like that. Gives really looks cool. Now we have 3 more packs to open out of this, and then we'll call it a day. Gosh. Okay. Okay, right. Code card, but I don't give a crap. We already got a good stuff. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. We have a Darkness Energy. Nope, Psychic. Paplitoad Shopping Center. Herdier. Nicket. Birdmite. Ragnarok. A Flabby. A Swablu. A Victini reverse. Oh, Victini. And a Drumpia non-holographic. 2 more packs. I'll save the Rayquaza for last. But, come on, thing. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to open it like I would do with the others. The green code card, of course. Okay. Let's see this. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Water Energy. Hypno with his sumo kind of stance, showing off his sumo stance skills. Okay, let me back this up a little bit. Fletchhinder, Lantern, Pumpakabu, Carvana Unana. I like doing that. Leonhardt really. I watch Leonhardt all the time. He's a really cool guy. Glossifleur, Fetchling, Scraggy, a Wobbuffet, and a Gorfiest non-holo rare. Okay. Now the last pack magic, Rayquaza. Oh man, come on. This is our last chance. At least a white and green code card. That's at least give us half. Speaking of white and green code card, that's what we got. Our white and green code card out of this last pack. Oh. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's probably just a holographic. Energy, Hippo Down, Bravery, Tentacool, Woobat, a Glossifleur, a Feebas, a Hippotas, a Lillipup, a Reverse Cryogonal, and a Hydreigon holographic. Another duplicate, but to be honest, that was already good enough for last pack magic. If it wasn't a last pack magic, it would have been a non-holo rare. But Rayquaza, as always, I've always really liked Rayquaza. I love his design. It's just, it's kind of how I feel about some of the other Pokemon. For example, like Groudon. I like Groudon, Kyogre, and Rayquaza's design. I loved it. I thought it was unique how they made that. It just, But yeah, let me show y'all what we got, and this is the amount of goods. I think it was definitely worth $90, because Hydreigon, a Galarian Articuno, which looks fabulous in my opinion. Jumpluff, Marshadow, a Hydreigon, a Slacking, a Lycanroc V. Let me put these back to the back again. A Garbodor V. Let me tilt this up a little bit. A Rayquaza V, which in my opinion I love the artwork of this card. I love it. Just like, it looks so cool. Jolteon VMAX. Oh, why does my camera keep tipping over? It's a piece of crap, am I right? Jolteon VMAX. A Glaceon V. I love this artwork. Just awesome. Espeon V. A Sylveon V. A Leafeon VMAX. And that is it. And to be honest, it was definitely worth it in my opinion. $90. Yeah, it was really good. But hopefully, thank you guys for watching. Remember, like and subscribe and put on post notifications if you want to see more. I believe we have some celebrations coming up, and that I am pumped about. So, see y'all in the next video. See ya. Peace out.